LNG brought a truck up to us to test for 3 months, and we were able to put 60,000 miles on that truck in those 3 months. With that first test vehicle, how successful it went, we were sold on the product, and we were able to purchase 10 more trucks, and so far, so good.
We've developed a program and process where we bring in natural gas technologies of all different types and work with the customers where we analyze their routes, their fleet profile, their demands for horsepower, torque, range, etc. We help them pick the right piece of equipment. We simply give them the keys and say, all right, test this at no risk to you. If it works, great, we'll move forward together, and if it doesn't work, then we'll try it again with a different technology. And the most exciting thing is giving them the keys to one truck, and within a 3 or 4 month period at a time, seeing them adopt natural gas in the entire fleet.